kings and queens, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sha'z. If you're new, welcome. If you've been here, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to do an eggless banana cupcake. You guys are gonna see. This is how I do my banana bread. Preheated my oven at 350. All right, and we're gonna bake our muffins for 25 to 30 minutes. Let me know if you tried this recipe and how was it for you. I hope this video has enough lighting. My ring light, unfortunately, it's just bugging, it's not working, so I really need to look into that, or probably just get a brand new one. With that being said, nothing is gonna hold us back. Thank you so much for your support, and let's get into it. I think I've said enough already, and probably too much. Chat. We have 4 bananas here. We also have some semi-sweet chocolate chip. We have our chopped up almonds, walnuts, and pecans. We also have some blueberries here. Baking soda, I have 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 1/2 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of oil, 1/2 cup of sugar. I have a little, just a toops of salt right here to bring off all the flavors. And we have our vanilla extract, nutmeg, and cinnamon powder. guys, we're just gonna use a few of the chocolate chip because we want to apply some to the top as well. So we're just gonna use a few of them, a little more. Hey guys, so as you can see, this is the end result. Let me call my daughter and see if she'll come on camera to do a test this for you guys. Lala? Yes, mommy? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Alright, which one would you want to taste? Say hi to the people.
Hi, Sha'z.
Alright.
Let's show you guys this goodness. Ooh, it's moist.
It is moist. Let's go.
I got some bites of blueberry. Okay,
So the wait was worth it? Because I know you've been bugging me for banana bread. Alright guys, here you have it. Let's see in the inside. Look how moist that is. Look how moist, guys. So guys, as you just saw, Lala took one with the nuts, so I'm gonna try the one with the chocolate chip. Yeah, can you see that bad boy? Chocolate chip and blueberries. Look how moist this is, guys. Yeah. Guys, oops. I think we used two accidentally. It slapped. It is real good. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I do hope you enjoy this, and I hope that you try this. You know, it's back to school. This can be used for snacks, you know, even breakfast. You know, you can use it in different ways. With that being said, thank you so much for stopping by. Blessings. All right. Cheers.